Right here, the real me. I had to make them fulfill me. I had some folks trying to kill.
What's up, you guys? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy Drethehardway, back in this thing with another video. Hope you guys been taking care of yourself, man. Throughout this whole crazy time, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Drethardway. There's a will, there's a way. You know what I'm saying? Doing it the legit way, no more ski mask way. You hear me? But today, man, my car was messing up. Well, it started yesterday. I went to roll down my window, couldn't roll it back up. So, y'all, anybody who got a car, man, you know how frustrating, how frustration it is, or how frustrated it is when your car starts acting up. You can see, man, look, I get nothing. I can't roll nothing up. So, I can't lock nothing. So I had to park my car. In the garage yesterday. But I'm on my way up here right now, man, to Chrysler Huffine's Jeep around with Louisville. You know what I'm saying? Because I rock with them, they rock with me. I'm going to go ahead and see if they can give me a new window switch thingamajiggy, and we don't go from it like that. So yeah, man, we get in here. And, I'm going to turn this camera back on, man, once I find out, you know, what they can do for me. Let me pause the camera, small pause for the call. Alright, what's up, you guys? What it is, what it do, man. So yeah, I'm back in this thing, man. I'm checking back in with y'all. So yeah, it's a little switch, they said, but it could also be some on the inside of the door too. Maybe I probably messed up something. I took the whole door apart yesterday, man. I'm gonna remove it. Look. Alright, so yeah, so that switch started acting up yesterday, man. I took the whole damn door apart yesterday, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. And then when I finally got it all off, and got down into the module thing that connects or works the window latch and all that, but there's two arms on there that's when you push the button, they flip flap back and forth. Okay, the ones that worked mine had broke off. So I ended up getting the old hefty defty Gorilla Glue, kind of like dabbing it on there so I can get back in there. Well, that kind of worked, but it didn't really. It kind of worked, but it didn't really fix the problem. It didn't really fix the problem. So stuff was still messed up, man. Stuff was still not working right. And then after it was all done, like after it was all done, it was working. As I did all that, my car wouldn't even unlock and lock no more. So I was like, man, I'm done with it. I put everything back together. I said, you know what? I googled that part, the window standard switch. I googled that part. It was only $86 from what I seen on I think Geek Parts. Yeah, Geek Parts. It was only like $86. I looked on Amazon for the same part. It was like $110. Y'all see my baby over there, man. Oh man, I wasn't even recording. All this time I wasn't even recording. Oh man. I'm pretty much over here talking to myself. I ain't even recording. But like I said before, man, it's Drethehardway. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going up all the rest of 2020. That thing look good. If you're not following me on Instagram, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I was just talking and wasn't even recording. I'm sitting looking right there at the button. Didn't realize they wasn't even recording, man. But look, Chrysler Hellfire Dodge Jeep and Ram, man, Louisville, Texas. Y'all see what they got up here, man. And this is on the other side of the lot that I really don't like coming on. Oh, they got a... Y'all see that? It's gotta be somebody's car. Nope, not nobody's car. I see that interior though. But yeah, man, I was sitting there talking about my window. I messed around and tried to. Oh, I like how they did that. I mean, it's not a Mopar, but I like how they did that. I don't know if I would do that up to my. No, it'll look good. Say, y'all let me know something. What if I was to put that red stripe right like that on my rim? On all my rims. I think it's on all of them. See, I think that's the Mopar stripe, but this is a Chevy. Tell me what y'all think. How it would look. I really don't want to do that to my rim though. Really. I could. But yeah, man, like I was saying about the window standard switch, man. Like I took that whole window, the whole door panel off. I'm trying to fix that thing, man. Even after the Gorilla Glue and everything, it still wouldn't work. And all I really wanted to do was roll up. It wouldn't roll up. No. It wouldn't roll up, so it got towed up. I guess that's a way of putting it. Yeah, y'all see the Daytona thing right here, man. See somebody's car? Yep, that's somebody's car. It's unlocked though. Oh yeah, man. Like I said, this is the back side of the lot. This is the side of the lot back here that I really don't ever get a chance to. Ooh, I like that thing right there. I really don't get a chance to come back here and look at. So, oh, hold on. So yeah, man. I gotta leave the car here, unfortunately. But they closed at 5 o'clock. I got here early this morning. You know what I'm saying? It's like 8 right now. I should have got here like directly when they opened up, but it was mixed signs because on the online it was talking about it don't open until 8:30, but then I seen where it said fleet and stuff like that at 7 o'clock or whatnot. So I wasn't really sure. So, but it's simple, man. So it's a simple little fix. So hopefully they can get me in and get me out because I got a lot of I really want to do today. But y'all see this thing right here, bugs and all. Heavy duty 2500. That's bugs and all. That thing look good. I like that thing look good. Now for a truck, I always give a truck this will be it. Look at that. Look at this thing right here. 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn. 5.7 Henry. Or something like this. That's on 28. That's on 28. Oh man, and that's a 2016. This thing right here though. This thing here, monstrosity. This is a Hemi Turbo Diesel 2500. Come on the highway with this. Yeah, they been on the highway with this boy. Oh, I thought that thing was open off in the city. Y'all see, man. It's the Laramie. Oh, yeah. It's the Laramie. Yeah, man. Y'all see, man. But, yeah, man, I'm up here trying to get this work done. But, I really did want to try to go up to Lamborghini today. I see, man. She look good, don't she? Yes, sir. Hey man, don't be doing donuts and shit in my car, bro. He went back here way in the back. I ain't never seen nobody go way in the back. What you doing in my car, bro? Where you going with it, bro? What you doing in my car, bro? You back there trying to take some parts off of it or something. Nah. Ooh, man, this thing's sweet, yeah. Yeah, man. So, the car, I'll tell you what, I can't tell you this about my car now. I can't even lie. My car do look a whole lot better without the other rims on there. I can't say that. So, I see the point that some people was making on Instagram about the car and the wheels. But that was only because I was trying to be different. I didn't want to be like everybody else. I didn't want to get those rims because it seemed like everybody have those rims on the car. The Hellcat replicas, should I say. But they do look good on them. So yeah, man, he just took my car back there and just parked it. Come on, bro. Don't do that. Let me turn the thing around and see if I can see. Where'd the fool go? Oh, he too busy. He too busy checking Twitter and Instagram and shit back there. He ain't even running my gas out. That's what he doing. I can tell you that right now. Running my gas out. But yeah, this the Barracuda thing that I viewed that one day I was up here. I'll see it, man. That Barracuda. I've already posted a little video of this right here on my Instagram. If you're not familiar with that, man, go ahead, go back and watch my story. I'll see it, man. He put yeah, this that Barracuda. Y'all can see right there right there on the door, yeah, Barracuda. That interior though, that peanut butter interior, immaculate. That's my guy right there, Joe Quebec. That's the guy you want to come. We want to use. What you say, Joe? That's good. All right. Good seeing you. Well, yeah, man. I'm up here. I see, man. They got Jeeps, all kind of demo floppy thingamajiggies. You know what I'm saying? But this is a used car side, so if you're not familiar with it, I think the video I'm gonna post before this is gonna be on the new side. So y'all can go check them out. And they got anything up here, man, that y'all want to see. Like I said, this is a 2017 Dodge Charger SE. So, but it's an RT right there. It's a Chrysler thing right there with the panoramic roof. I forgot what this blue thing is. That blue popping though, I'll tell you that. That blue popping. This would be the V6, 24,000 miles. 24,000 what they're asking for it. I hate mine don't come with that backup camera. You got V6s and everything with the backup camera and everything, but it is what it is. So let me get on over here, man. I'm waiting on my wife to come by and pick me up. Trying to see what John did with my car, man.
And he was like, he was just enjoying the ride, you know. He didn't really look like he was in too big of a rush to get my stuff looked at, man. So that's what I'm up. That's why I'm gonna keep this thing rolling. So he parked it and then he bagged up and then he went somewhere. I don't even know where he went to. But hopefully, I'm pretty sure they're gonna get me taken care of, man. Hopefully I get my car back today. You know what I'm saying? That's the biggest thing. But by it being something so simple, hopefully it gets fixed real quick. Cause all it is, man, is a window stand switch now. And whatever else I messed up doing the process of taking off my door. Taking out the door. Say, man, I took that thing off, man. Why I went to pop you, little plastic pieces and stuff start falling all over the ground. But I ain't no mechanic, man. But I pretty much know. I can tell you pretty much. If something goes wrong with my car, I can pretty much tell you what's wrong with it. You know, every time anything has happened to my car, I can tell you what's wrong with it. But I just had so many cars till, you know what I'm saying, I automatically know. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't really know that. There you go. There you go. Yeah, she's a gasaholic, baby. So I see, man, they finna park the beast. She finna go in next, I hope. You know what I'm saying? She finna go in next, I hope. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, y'all see it, man. It's your boy Drethehardway, man. Look at that beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. But yeah, man, like I said, this is the service department. But let me see, they park it right there for it to be next in line. I see it, man. Like I said, they got work vehicles and everything. Let me small pause this video for a minute, man. I'm gonna get over here. Let me matter of fact, am I right here yet? I doubt she here yet. Alright, well, so since she ain't here, my ride ain't here yet, let me go and show y'all some more of these cars over here on the new side, man. Like I said, man, you need work vehicles, they got it. You know what I'm saying? They got it. I've already showed y'all the cars over there. I seen these three back here, man. I know these probably somebody's cars. I don't care. I don't care because they're going on the vlog, whether they like it or not. Oh, so my guy Miguel here. Oh, yeah, I got a new video too. I'm probably gonna be dropping. No, I can't even say. I'm gonna drop that video today. But that video really don't even matter. But yeah, man. Hope y'all can see that sign. CDJR, I think it's real. Yeah, CDJR, Louisville. I couldn't tell what But I'm be back to you, brother. Hold up. I'm be back to you too, brother. Hold up. I gotta start right here, down here at the bottom. I should have came over here once I crossed the street. But whatever. But waiting on the missus right now, man. Look at that. Way over here. And she's still looking good. But yeah, this thing right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an RT. Yeah. It's an RT. Oh, I don't care how they drive this, man. They scrape the hell out of that. Nope, nobody's cars. This must got repo. There you go, RT. No sunroof on and whatnot. So they're probably gonna take care of that thing before they put it back. So they put it back up for grabs. Oh, I'm not even lying, man. The 1500 and man, somebody pre-ordered this. This is sold. 1500. I'm waiting to see the one with the Hemi motor, man. I know everybody have seen it, man. They probably coming out with the Ram, with the Hellcat motor in it. That's a sport. That thing look good too. That's a Laramie too as well. I see that big old screen on that thing, boy. What's up? Right next to the. Oh man, what they been doing to this car? That's a RT. That's a 392. Somebody has not taken care of this car, man. Look at that. We've just been sitting in the sun so long, and it just started peeling up. That's a 392, man. Sky pack. Come on, bro. Somebody don't believe in taking care of their cars, which is probably why they had to come and repo that boy. I guarantee all these over here are probably repos. Charger, what? What's that? What does that mean? Man, somebody comment down below, tell me what that means. I don't know what the hell that means. I ain't never seen that before. H4. I ain't never seen them like that, no H4. That's a V6 though, you can tell how it sit up. But I'm gonna keep it moving and grooving, man. But if you haven't already, man, make sure you... Yeah, man, all the mods I have done to my car, I put on myself. Everything. Trunk spoiler, roof spoiler, tire stickers, everything, bro. So, come on, man. I'm putting in work. Like I said, man, I can't say those Hellcat replicas do look good on my car. Yeah, those Hellcat replicas do look good on my car. I can't say. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a wrap for the video for the time being. For now, man, I haven't really decided where I'm gonna go. I kind of want to go up to Lamborghini of Dallas, but we'll see how that works out. I'm gonna turn the camera back on, man, when I do, if I decide to or not. All right, peace. What's up, you guys? Yeah, I'm back, checking back in, man. So, went and got my car, picked it up. A few $100 later. Back in the thing. But see, it was only just the window switch, which like I said, I had already looked it up. It was like 100 and some on Amazon, and I looked at Geek Parts. They was talking about like 86. So all I automatically knew was like 100 and some. So most thing I was worried about was the label.
So I knew they was gonna, I wasn't sure they were gonna try to text the hell out of me for labor. So I don't know, because, you know, it's kind of hard to really say how the labor thing really plays out. You don't know if they do about how long, an hourly, you know. But you can see from the video, man, like they was in there digging around. I mean, I mean, trace on my channel or whatever, but they was in there, they wasn't working, man. So it kind of makes me wonder a little bit, like, towards the labor part, these shops, like how they rate, how they really go about saying how much is what, you know what I'm saying? Is this such amount an hour, or probably up, I don't really know, but anyway, I still got I really got a good day. He was like, man, you just in here the other day. Yeah, I just left in there like yesterday. It was yesterday. I left him yesterday getting my oil changed. So this was, he was like, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, I was just in here. I'm the guy, yeah. It's like, man, I'm done. Like I told him, I'm done spending money with y'all for the week. So I ain't gonna see y'all for a minute. But if you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to all 2020 long. And it's almost over with, bro. You know, 2020 was supposed to be a busy year, man. And it has been to a lot of people. You know, but it's been so much that has went on throughout this year. This is gonna be like one of those years that's gonna be like this real memorable. Real memorable. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go right now. I'm on my way right now to go pick up my shirt. Like I said, I had a shirt made. Like I'm not sure if I want to do merch. Well, I'm not gonna consider it merch, but it's gonna be more like a clothing line or something like that, you know. But yeah, man, I got big plans coming for the channel, man. Like my mind is constantly, you know, thinking. I'm that's the word. Overthinking, should I say, you know. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I was gonna post a video today, but that video can wait. But I'm gonna get back to the point where I'm uploading. I'm gonna start uploading twice a week, because I've been doing once a week for I don't know how long. It's time for the progress. It's time to go ahead and move to the next level, man. I'm trying to, like I said, I believe in myself, man. I believe that, you know, I've been doing this car thing for so long. I just never actually video. Oh man, what they doing up into the road, man? Are you serious? See, this one's in mine. This is Texas for you, right here. See? They're always doing construction, man, on roads that don't even need construction. Like, look at this. They're always doing construction on roads that don't even need construction. You see that? I see that. Welcome to Texas, man. There was nothing wrong with that road, man. Like, oh man. But yeah, man. So yeah, I'm on my way right now. Big Frog Keys. If anybody that do clothing line, man, or you're trying to open it or start your own clothing business or whatever, leave a comment down below, man. Let me know, because I'm still like up in the area, man. So I really, man, this is a lot of traffic, but I'm not cut across this median. Well, yeah, drop a comment down below, man. Let me know. Yeah, man, I'm gonna turn this camera back on when I get in there. And yeah. All right, you guys. So yeah, man, I done made it up here. Wait a minute. They don't. Oh, they closed on Friday. They closed today. Saturday and Sunday closed. Saturday and Sunday closed. But yeah, man, Big Frog custom t-shirts and more. You know what I'm saying? This is where I came to, and to get my get my t-shirt made. But all this, but yeah, y'all can see, man. Look, it works now.
You know what I'm talking about? So, God. Well, all right, man. Well, I was hoping to let y'all see the t-shirt today, man, but it's probably not gonna happen. So, all right. Well, she didn't say nothing about it. They closed. Yeah, she didn't say nothing about it. They closed on the weekend. So I guess I gotta wait till Monday. But I gotta go change my shirt now because this is not the shirt I was gonna wear today. So, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But man, if you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We're going up all the rest of 2020. I get tired of saying that, but I gotta keep saying it. I mean, because it's 2020. I'm going up all the rest of it. So if you're familiar, man, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on so you be notified every time I post, man. It's your boy Drethehardway. I'm out this thing. Peace.